Hey guys, I'm here with Chris. He's gonna give us a walkthrough of his super awesome garage that he's built.
We can start over here. This is where everything kind of started. I got into cold plunging because my back was having issues and I wanted to be able to create some relief, some inflammation relief, and decided, all right, cold plunge way is gonna do it, but I'm cheap. And so I wanted to build one instead of go pay $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for a cold plunge. Got everything online, all the details, the plans, built this out. Have had this running for over 2 years now. Love it, works great. But the problem was I wanted, this was the only thing sitting in the shed, and I was down here realizing that I don't want to let this become a storage shed. So I decided, hey, let's make it a gym. I wanted to keep costs down, but I also wanted to make sure it was equipment that I would use no matter what. I ended up doing a ton of research, and I wanted a full rack system that allowed me to do squat racks, do bench press, have cable rows, so everything that you would ever need. After doing a ton of research, I ended up picking this rack from Rep. Great rack, but I wanted to have everything that I used at the gym at this gym. So when I would come and work out, there were no excuses not to work out. So I've got, plyo boxes, I've got kettlebells, over 350 pounds in plates. You can see all the gear that we can, and attachments that we can put on this thing. And so wanted to make sure that everything that I needed was out here. Over here, I got all the dumbbells that I could use. I know there's probably people that will lift more than me, but we take these up to 75. I wanted to have a place that I could work out, enjoy what I was doing, put my workouts up on the screen. And so over the last several months, we've been putting some final touches on here, put the 85-inch screen, do workouts there. This is all spray and foam insulation. It's a great insulator. It was not as cheap as I wanted it to be, but it also didn't take as much time. We were able to get this fully insulated in less than 4 hours. And I didn't hate the way that it looked when it was done. So now what I've done is started putting up, the things that are important to me. Obviously, Old Glory's got to be hanging from the wall and representing, but then I've got all my sports teams in here as well. For me, this is no longer a shed. This is a full-blown home gym that allows me to do every workout that I've ever done previously. So whether it's doing free weights, using cables, doing mobility exercises, things like that in the gym, we've now got a full-blown space that allows me that freedom.